Hello. D, I think sir is getting late. No, there is some time because sir told me that he was on the way.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so how are you guys?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, so have a seat.
Thank you,
sir.
Sir, please, you too.
Yeah, sure. Okay, guys, finally we are here all together, right?
Yes, sir.
And as we know that the lockdown is over,
Yes, sir.
but we have to keep precaution, right?
Yes, sir.
Through online we are connected,
Yes, sir.
and we know about something or other things to each other.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We have some questions for you, and one by one. Okay, we start. Before we start with a mantra.
Okay, sir.
So follow me. We have to be continue.
We have to be continue.
We have to practice with our juniors and seniors.
We have to practice with our juniors and seniors.
And last one is,
And last one is,
the more we practice,
the more we practice,
the more we will get.
the more we will get.
Excellent. Okay, now let's start. So first question for Bhumi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is your opinion about online classes? Because many people say online classes are not successful.
According to me, somewhere people are right because online classes is not useful for those students who are in very basic knowledge because they can't get what is teacher teaching. So if we have basic knowledge in any subject, then we can easily get what is teaching by teacher. And online classes is very beneficial for us because if in any season weather is not good and we have some work in home and we are not in our town, we are somewhere else, so we can easily attend our class. We have not to leave our class, so we can connect with our teachers. That's why online classes is very beneficial for us.
Fabulous. Good. Now, next question for Sonipriya.
Yes, of course.
Guys, listen. I'm not your teacher. Consider me as a friend because I'm still learning, right?
Okay, sir.
Again?
Sorry, sir. It has become our habit.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Tell me, what is the advantage of online classes?
There are many advantages of online classes. Online classes can be attended from anywhere, either you are at your home or somewhere else. And there is also not any problem of weather. If weather is good, you can also join your class, and if weather is not good, you can also join your class from your home. So this is very beneficial, and this is very beneficial for especially those girls who are not allowed to go outside from her house or not so far from her house. They can complete their study with online classes. So according to me, this is very beneficial for those girls because in lockdown I also felt their feelings. So I can say this is very beneficial for those girls. And as we listened, many cases that girls are not allowed to go outside for study. So in these cases, online classes are very beneficial for those girls. Thank you, sir.
Nice. Excellent. Okay, Ananya, now question for you. So, same question. Tell me, what did you learn in lockdown?
Sir, actually I learned that many things from lockdown. That how we should be safe in the home. And many things from YouTube. And many things I learned like drawing, dancing. I learned many more things in laptop,
Oh, very nice.
and
Good try. And one thing, tell me, in lockdown, when lockdown started, how did you feel?
when the lockdown was started, then I was very happy that the schools are closed. I will be very happy in my home. But when the days passed, I get bored that when the school will be open. I was very excited when the school, the message got that in next class the school will be open. And another day I got the message that no, the school will be not open, it will be closed. I got very sad. And now suddenly message has came that the school will be seriously opened from 16th August. Then I am very happy for that, and I am arranging all my things for that.
Okay. Now, finally, you are happy, right?
Yes.
We are doing well, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. I think all of you are enjoying, right?
Yes, sir.
So we must take a break, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's have a break. Okay. After the break, we are going to start once again.
Yes, sir.
So, one interesting question for Ananya. What was your break?
Sir, I had juice. And sir, all of us have, and you too have.
Oh yeah, of course. All of us had. So now, next question is for Rudra Kumar. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, how did you pass your lockdown? What did you learn in lockdown? And what did you feel when lockdown started?
Actually, sir, when lockdown started, at that time I was very happy. But after some days, I was getting bored. Then I thought that in lockdown it is a good opportunity to learn something. And that time my friend informed me about English spoken. Then I thought that it is a good option to learn English because English will help me in my future. I think all students must learn English spoken because English will help them in future for getting job and etc. And now 8 to 9 months are passed. As you can see, I can speak well English, but I want to be fluent. For this, I will carry on with my colleagues, and I know that very well. The more I practice, the more I will get. So that's why I still carry on.
Okay, well done. Okay, now 2 questions are left. So, Sonipriya,
Yes, sir.
tell me how many days are needed for better speaking?
Okay. According to me, it's depend on students because someone is brilliant and someone is weak. So if you have any basic knowledge about it, then you can get easily. But if you have not basic knowledge, then you will commit some mistakes. But for understanding English, 6 months is enough. But for better speaking English, you have to be continued. Like you have to read newspapers, English magazines, watch English movies and listen English songs and do conversation with your friends who knows English very well. And one thing must keep in your mind, when you start, you will commit some mistake and you will not get anything. But you have to be continued because you know very well if you start something, you will commit some mistake. But from those mistakes, you will learn something. So don't think negative. Just think positive and don't stop yourself. Just continue. And believe me, one day you will be a better speaker. Thank you.
Fabulous. Good try. Okay, now last question for Mrud Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the differences between English speaking and grammar?
Sir, according to me, in starting, there is challenge for teachers how to open their students' mouth. When students start speaking, in some days or some months, after that, teachers start teaching them with grammar. So, overall, both are needed, but according to the time. Thank you.
Okay guys, now the meeting is going to over. Okay, but one thing we have to keep in mind, through online we will be connected, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so have a nice day.
You too, sir.
Okay, and I hope we will meet soon.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.